Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says the computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error. So how you can fix this, let's get started. First what you have to do is press shift plus F10 on your keyboard and it will open CMD. Here you have to type regedit and it will open registry editor. Just double click on HK local machine, then go over to this path, open system folder, then setup folder, then status folder, and then click on child completion. After that you'll find a setup.exe file, just double click on it and here you'll find this value data, just set it to 3 and click OK. After restart your PC and try installing Windows again and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.